Healthy hair doesn't mean you have to splurge on expensive products.
Doctors say you can just get what you need in the drugstore aisle if you know what to look for. And health specialist Denise Adore is here with some hair care help, and it is expensive.
It is, and we're all trying to stretch our dollars, you know. You don't have to spend a lot of money to keep your hair and scalp healthy. We talked to a dermatologist to find out which shampoos, conditioners, and other drugstore products will have you looking and feeling your best.
So many products, but which ones really help your hair and scalp be their healthiest? We asked dermatologist Shirley Chi to go with us to a local CVS to show us which drugstore products perform as well as the pricier ones.
May not be exactly the same, but it'll give you a lot more bang for your buck.
Her first pick for dry, damaged hair? Neutrogena Triple Moisture Deep Recovery Hair Mask for $7.
You put it all in your hair, you leave it in for several minutes, and then it leaves your hair nice and sleek and shiny.
Dr. Chi says the concept behind conditioner is to coat and smooth down the outer layer of hair called the cuticle. She also likes the one by Garnier Fructis, also $7, but essentially accomplishes the same thing as more expensive masks.
And these are comparable to the $40 to $50 product.
For mild dandruff, she says Head & Shoulders is hard to beat, but difficult dandruff needs a medicated treatment. For intense itching, Dr. Chi recommends Extra Strength T-Gel, which is $9.69. After a few weeks, if it doesn't work, don't buy any more product. At that point, she says you need to see a doctor to get something prescription strength. If you dye your hair, be aware, chemicals and permanent dye can be harder on your hair than other types of color.
The more permanent the hair color is and the lighter that you go, generally the more damaging it is.
Instead, she recommends semi-permanent dye you can wash out. Natural Instincts is one good example. And to reduce damage, only touch up your roots when possible so you don't add chemicals to the rest of your hair. 2-in-1 shampoo conditioners may look like a bargain, but they may not be a good choice.
What they're trying to do is remove your hair's natural oil and replace it with an artificial kind of sebum or oil. And that just neither cleans well nor conditions well.
And a few more doctor-approved tips. Color-treated hair needs a pH of 7 or less. Some lines you might see in a beauty supply store may include the pH level on the box. And to make your hair care products last longer, buy a clarifying shampoo to remove any chemical buildup. Want to see all the suggested hair care products? Just go to our website, abc7.com, and look on the left-hand side for more topics and pick healthy living from the drop-down menu.